In this video, I want to show you how to use a USB dock with your iPhone 17 and also how to choose one. Depending what you intend to do, okay, there's so many models out there. You can start with the cheapest one, and this is one of them. The important thing to remember is they all need to be USB Type-C, like this one over here, since the iPhone only has one USB Type-C port down below. So the cheapest one will usually have some USB Type-A ports. Sometimes they come with a card reader. This one over here has a micro SD and an SD card slot, which could be very useful. And you will also find some with an HDMI port included. Now this is a bit tricky. If you intend to game or maybe even watch a movie, I mean almost do anything on a TV with your iPhone connected to a TV or maybe a computer monitor, you will need an HDMI port. The problem is on the cheaper models, and this is one of them, the HDMI port over here is only able to output at 30 frames per second, which is not great. Everything will look choppy, definitely not how it looks on your iPhone screen. What you want is to check and make sure that it's able to output at least at 60 frames per second. And the moment you spend just a tiny bit more, you're gonna have those 4K 60 hertz available or even more. Another thing to consider when buying a hub or a dock for your iPhone is your dock able to charge your iPhone at the same time it's connected to it? So again, if I take this cheap one, you cannot do this. So once you have plugged this hub or dock to the iPhone will not be able to charge unless you use a wireless charger on the back at the same time. It's a bit awkward to use it though, so it's not very practical. It's better to have a dock, and they also make those formats, by the way, that has the possibility, you see over here, PD, this is for power delivery. You can connect a USB Type-C cable that is currently connected to a charger so that it provides power to all the devices connected to this hub, but also at the same time to the iPhone. So if I go over here and the iPhone connects where it says host, it will start charging your phone, and at the same time you'll be able to use all the ports that are over here. A lot more practical. And by the way, I'll put links in the description towards my favorite hubs and docks. Now, how do you connect the devices to a hub? Let's remove this one. I'll show it with this cheaper one. Okay, you simply, let's connect some USB drives over here. Actually, 2 of them. And once you have connected everything you want to the iPhone, and now to have access to the files that are in these memory cards or USB drives, you need to go on the Files app. So if you don't see the Files app, go all the way towards the right side, tap on the top app library and type Files. Open it, click on Browse, and from here you're going to see on my iPhone, this is the internal memory of your iPhone, everything that is on it. And usually you're going to see all your USB drive down below. Now, it's not on the display. It simply means that maybe you have to disconnect and reconnect. Sometimes it's as easy as this. Here we go. I got them appearing over here, the 3 things I have attached. So I have my SD card and my 2 USB drives. So let's say I want to transfer a file that is on a USB drive. I'll go on the USB drive simply by clicking on it. It will load all the files, all the folders. And now I would like to transfer this Pingu photo. So I'll click the 3 dots, select, and I'll check every files that I want to transfer. Could be also folders. Okay, let's say all these. Then click the 3 dots button on the lower right side, select copy, go back, and I'll go on my iPhone. You may not have any folders. If you don't have a folder and you want to create one to stay better organized, click on the 3 dots, new folder. It will be added, and now you can give this folder a new name. So if you want to copy those files on that folder, tap on it, keep press, paste. And right now it's transferring from my drive to the iPhone. Same thing, you can do the contrary, so take stuff from your iPhone and transferring to your drive. If you want to transfer photos you took with your iPhone from the photo gallery, go on the photo gallery of your iPhone. It's mine is, I don't even see it. Over here. Tap on select. Select the photos and videos you want to transfer on a USB drive. Tap on this icon over here, which is a square with an arrow pointing up. It's on the lower left side. Save to files. And now you're going to tap the back arrow. You're going to tap on the USB drive that is over here that you want to use. So let's say I want on that one. Go on any folders on that USB drive you tap where you want to save the pictures. Or if you don't want to save them in a folder, no problem, simply press save. But I want to save them in a folder, so I'll go on this one and press save. And the pictures I have selected are currently getting saved on the USB drive. Very useful. If you have videos, it may take a bit more time to transfer. It's not very quick sometimes. But overall, this is it. I hope this was useful. Once you're done, you simply have to disconnect the dock. Okay, there's no eject button. There's nothing of that on the iPhone. And this is about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.